8A. Coverage you can count on in high definition. This is KOMU 8 News at 6.
I did nothing wrong. It's been proven now in a court of law.
2 years after the shove, a judge finds former Columbia police officer Rob Sanders not guilty of third-degree assault. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jem Reek.
And I'm Brittany Pieper. The controversy all started when Sanders was caught on tape pushing inmate Kenneth Baker in a holding cell. Today, it all came to an end. KOMU 8's Emily Spain was in the courtroom and is live at the courthouse now with how the Sanders saga concluded. Emily?
Brittany and Jim, the Sanders trial lasted about a day and a half, but it didn't take long for Judge Carol England to make up her mind on the case. England acquitted Sanders of the assault charge just minutes after both parties finished their closing arguments, and it sent a wave of emotion into the courtroom.
Mr. Sanders, I find you not guilty.
Just as quickly as the judge made her decision, tears started to fall. They represent 2 years of pent-up emotion, all because of this controversial push caught on tape.
I did nothing wrong. It's been proven now in a court of law, and I've been unconcerned except for the time period that it's taken since we took off.
On the final day of Rob Sanders' court trial, 3 witnesses took the stand, including Sanders. The state argued he recklessly injured inmate Kenneth Baker while he was calm in his cell. The defense said Sanders followed the police department's policies and didn't intend to hurt Baker. That argument won the judge's vote.
It's the only way they could testify, because it's exactly what happened.
Prosecutors still stand by the charges.
Based on the video, the public deserved a trial. All the people interested had a public trial, and the evidence was presented. It consisted of the videotape. The judge made her decision, and we accept that decision.
The shove cost Sanders his job. Now with the assault charge out of the way, he hopes to get back in uniform.
Based on the evidence and his actions, there's no reason not to reinstate him. He was improperly removed from his position.
The emotional reaction to the verdict followed Sanders outside of the courtroom.
When I heard my wife crying behind me, it bothers me. It bothers me what she's had to go through.
The trial may be over, but it raised an issue of use of force, a conversation that's still not over in Columbia.
The legal system might be slow, however, it is just, and justice will be had.
The next step for Sanders in getting his job back is to take the issue to the Police Personnel Board. We also reached out to Police Chief Ken Burton for comment on the outcome of this case. We are waiting on a response from his office. Reporting live in Columbia, Emily Spain, KOMU 8 News.